you're a fan of sweet beverages, but going anywhere and buying a drink is going to be really expensive. Say you go to Wendy's and get a large lemonade, that's about $4 right there. And who can go to Wendy's without getting a 4x4? So your trip for a $4 lemonade turns into a $9 adventure. So today I'm going to be teaching you an easy way to make a homemade sweet beverage lemonade with 3 simple ingredients: lemon juice, water, and sugar. To start, you're going to want to fill your jar, this holds about 1.5 gallons, with water. I put 10 cups in here, makes the ratios pretty easy. And it makes a little less than 1 gallon. After you've got your pitcher filled, you're going to want to put in your sugar. For the ratio I like to use is for every 5 cups of water, I use 1 cup of sugar. So with 10 cups of water, I'm going to use 2 cups of sugar. And this is a 1/2 cup. I like to mix it halfway through just to make sure the sugar doesn't settle on the bottom. After you've got your sugar nice and mixed in, you can move on to the next step. The next step is going to be adding the lemons. For this demonstration, I'm just going to be using lemon juice, but if you have more time, you could use actual lemons, which would require you to wash and cut and prepare them. And the general rule of thumb is for every cup of water, use 1 lemon. And so the general rule of thumb with lemon juice is for every cup of water, use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, because 1 lemon equals about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So for 10 cups, I'm going to add 20 tablespoons of lemon juice. And that's pretty easy. So I'm just going to use the 1/2 cup because the ratios are a lot easier. 16 tablespoons of lemon juice in a cup. And I like mine a little sour, so I'm going to add some extra lemon juice. After that, after you've added all your ingredients, you're going to mix it up. Make sure it's good and stirred. You don't want anything settling at the bottom of your jar. And I like to mix it in different directions just to make sure. After you've done that and you make sure nothing settles on the bottom, your lemonade's pretty much ready. But it's kind of plain right now. So what a lot of people like to do is they'll put sugar around the edge of your glass. And the way you can do that is by simply cutting the lemon and putting the juice around the edge of the jar, and then dipping it in sugar, giving your drink a little more of a summery vibe, and it just makes it more fun. And also, whenever you're making your lemonade, if you add ice, make sure you take that into consideration, because if you have ice and it melts, it's going to add extra water, so you're going to want to add extra lemon juice and extra sugar. And just like with the lemon juice, I added a little extra because I like it sour. You can add as much sugar or lemon juice as you want to make it sweeter or make it more sour. And so today, I taught you how to make lemonade using 3 simple ingredients: the lemon juice, the sugar, and water. And hopefully that now that you've learned this, you can make any drink you want. Thank you.